Hey, Money Magnets. Are you ready to learn about the top 5 business credit cards? Well, no worries, because we're going to show you how to get to the bag.
All right, guys, let's jump into card number 5.
The JetBlue Business Credit Card. This is a must have
It
in
is.
your lineup, okay? So you can earn up to 60,000 bonus points. And how it breaks down is the first 50,000 bonus points after you spend $4,000 in the first 90 days.
Right.
And you get an additional 10,000 bonus points if you have one of your employees spend money on their card within the first 90 days. This
Nice.
right here is really nice, Marvin.
Yep. And you get 6 times the points on eligible purchases, 2 times the points on restaurants and office supplies. And don't forget your free first check bag. Now let's go into the benefits, Gloria. All right, let's go into the benefits. Earn towards mosaic status faster with every purchase. Points never expire, no blackout dates. Cash plus points. You can use cash and points to redeem so that you can buy tickets. Redeem for any seat, anytime on JetBlue operated flights. You can even do points pooling. Earn and share points with family and friends. Now that's major if you're going to do a family trip.
Most definitely, because we like to do a lot of family trips with our girls. Okay, Marvin, you also get 50% savings on all eligible in-flight purchases on JetBlue.
Nice.
You earn $5,000 bonus points each year after your JetBlue business cards account anniversary, which is amazing.
That is.
And Marvin, also you get 10% off your points back after you redeem and travel on JetBlue operated awarded flights.
Nice.
That's good.
Yeah.
$0 fraud liability protection means you are not responsible for unauthorized charges.
Right.
We all need that right now, the way the economy is going. And you also can receive $100 statement credit after you purchase a JetBlue vacation package of $100 and more with your JetBlue business card.
Wow.
That's good, Marvin.
That is.
And let me not forget, there's no foreign transaction fees. So if you're traveling the world, you don't have to worry about paying those extra fees.
That's good as well.
And the annual fee for this card is only $99 per year.
Right. All right, guys, let's jump into card number 4.
Okay, Marvin. Next up is the Capital One Business Venture X. I love this card, okay? So you get 2 times the miles on every purchase. And then if you book through Capital One Travel, you'll earn 5 times the miles on flights and 10 times on rental cars as well as hotels. That's a game changer.
That is.
And let's not forget that they give you 150,000 bonus miles when you spend $30,000 in the first 3 months, which equals to a $1,500 travel voucher. That is absolutely amazing.
That is.
And also, let's not forget, Capital One wants to give you a credit. So there's a $300 annual credit that you'll receive for booking through Capital One. And you'll also get 10,000 bonus miles every year starting on your anniversary day.
Nice. That's
nice.
This
is a game changer right here.
It is. All right, we're jumping into the card terms. I want you guys to realize this is a paid in full every month card. So it's more like a charge card, but the card has flexible spend capacity. This card comes with no preset limit, kind of reminds you of the Amex Platinum card, but it has a $395 annual fee, but get unlimited rewards, travel benefits, and a powerful business tool with $395 annual fee.
Which, Marvin, with the spending that you're doing, you'll get that back. So it's almost like you're not paying anything for the annual fee.
Right. And this is one of these cards you got to be disciplined with. Whatever you charge, make sure you got it in the bank to pay it off. But look, guys, let's go to card number 3.
Okay, next up is the Chase Inc. Business Cash Card. Now, this is one of my favorites, okay? I'm a Chase fan. I'm just going to be honest with you guys. Okay, so earn up to $750 bonus cash back. Earn $350 when you spend $3,000 in the first 3 months. And additional $400 when you spend $6,000 in purchases in the first 6 months after opening up the account.
So don't forget, use these cards when you first get it so you can earn these bonuses. Also, you can get a 10% business relationship bonus. If you have the card and you get the checking account on the first anniversary of having the card, you'll earn a one-time 10% bonus of all eligible cash back earned for the first year.
Marvin, one thing I love about Chase is that in Chase, you can take all of your cards and have them in one portal, and you can transfer your points to different cards. So you can mix and mingle your business and your personal points. So I love that. That right there is a cash flow changer, especially when you're a traveler.
Yep, you can really save money.
Now let's talk about this cash back that they're offering, Marvin. Okay, so you can earn 5% cash back on your first 25,000 spent in combined purchases at office supply stores or your internet, your cable, your phone bill, and on your anniversary year.
Right. You also can earn 2% cash back on the first 25,000 spent in combined purchases at gas stations and restaurants each account anniversary year. Earn 1% on all other purchases with no limit on the amount that you can earn.
And Marvin, really, it adds up pretty fast.
It does.
We think that 2% is not a lot, but just think about it. If you're doing a lot of business purchases on your cards, just put it on your card and pay it off as they come in.
Exactly. Okay. You can earn 5% cash back on all Lyft rides. So whatever you're doing, traveling back and forth to the airport, imagine getting 5% back. It does add up, Gloria.
It does. And Marvin, we forgot to tell them this card has a 0 annual fee, and you get 0% interest for the first 12 months of having this card. Just think about it. If you have a card with a high interest rate on it, you can do a balance transfer and have 0% interest for 12 months. That right there is a cash flow changer.
Any small business right now with the way interest rates are, you need to try to save as much money as you can, and 0% is the best interest rate that you'll get. But Gloria, let's go to card number 2.
Okay, y'all ready for this? This is the big boy, okay? The Amex Business Gold Credit Card. Now, this one right here is another one of my favorites, okay? American Express is offering a sign-up bonus. You can't go wrong when they have these sign-up bonuses. It was $70,000, but they just upped it up to $175,000 membership reward points.
That's crazy.
That is, do you know how much that can get you? Oh my God, I love this.
Let's talk about how you earn, guys. Earn 4 times the points on your top 2 eligible purchases, 3 times the points on flights and prepaid hotels, 1 times the points on all other eligible purchases. Make sure you're using your gold card.
Yes, and Marvin, the wonderful thing about Amex is it has a portal as well.
Yeah.
And if you go into your portal and you purchase your tickets, your hotels, you get discounted rates on that. It's absolutely amazing.
Yes, it is. All right, guys, with this number 2 card, the annual fee is $375, but let's talk about how you can redeem that.
Most definitely, Marvin. So for purchases at select business merchants like Grubhub, FedEx, you can get up to $240 in flexible business credit.
Right.
That right there can help offset some of that annual fee charge.
It can.
Also, you get a Walmart monthly membership, $165 Walmart credit. That right there also can offset some of that annual fee. You got to look at some of these things that the card offer and weigh it out and say what benefits me, what doesn't benefit me. And with all of the benefits that this card gives, it's most definitely worth the $375 annual fee.
So what you're saying, Gloria, you can end up a positive $20 if you use all the features. That's what I love about American Express. Pick the card that's right for your business.
And lastly, Marvin, they also are offering 0% interest for the first 6 months. Like that right there. American Express doesn't normally do that, but this is a special offer.
Look, guys, jump on this American Express Gold. 0%, like I said before, is not how much you make, it's how much you keep. Jump on top of 0%, and let's go into the number 1 card, guys. I'm excited about this one.
Okay, drum roll, Marvin. The top card in our lineup is the American Express Platinum card. And as you can see, we have 2 of these because I love American Express. And yes, it does come with a nice, healthy fee, but with all the benefits that you get, it's so worth it.
Yes, that $695 annual fee. If you use all the perks that they have, you will redeem all of that and probably come out a little bit positive, especially if you visit the lounge.
And like Marvin, American Express also allows you to be able to transfer points. Like we fly Delta quite a bit, so I transfer points to buy Delta tickets.
Yeah.
And Sometimes they have offers where you can do double the points. It just depends on what's going on. Like Marriott may have, instead of you getting, if you transfer your Amex points over to Marriott, instead of getting 1,000 points, you may get 1,500 points.
Nice.
Okay, so let's dive into some of the benefits. Okay,
Let's do it.
So you get 5 times the membership reward points on flights and prepaid hotels booked through the American Express travel portal. Okay, and you get access to 1,400 lounges. That is so nice when you're traveling out of the country.
All right. Also, look, this is where you can start to get this annual feedback. You can get up to $400 back, up to $200 semi-annually on U.S. purchases with Dell Technologies. So if you need computers, you might want to lean towards Dell. You can actually get cash back. All right, guys, you can earn 1.5 times the points on key business categories. Also, this card allows you to pay over time. It used to be like a charge card where you had to pay it off monthly, but now you can pay it over time.
Okay, Marvin, so all of these cards are absolutely amazing. This is what we have in our lineup. So don't forget to like and share this video.
Yes.
But Marvin, I have a gem. Okay, so if you're looking for the 5 best personal credit cards, check out this next video.
I'm Mr. Smith.
And I'm Mrs. Smith.
And we're here to help empower your finances.